We had a B2B client for whom we have generated leads via Google Ads. On a daily average, we were able to get 100 to 100 leads per day. The way in which we qualified the leads was based on this metric called as LTO, which is lead to opportunity. The typical life cycle for this business was between 3 to 6 months, but we qualified the leads on week 1 itself. On a weekly average, we were able to generate 700 leads, out of which 90 to 100 turned into real opportunities. So the conversion rate was around 11%. We wanted to take this up to the next level, and we started sending the offline conversion data back to Google. Within a month, we started seeing change in the LTO percentage, and it hiked from 11 to 13%. And we were also able to keep the cost per opportunity under control. Now let's see how to implement offline conversion for a B2C lead gen business without writing any code using CustomerLabs under 10 minutes. The first step here is to create a offline conversion event in Google Ads. For that, we need to click on Tools and Settings. Under Measurement, click on Conversions. Okay, this is the conversion dashboard. Now we have to create a new conversion action. So click on New Conversion Action and select Import. We have to click on Imports because we are going to import the offline conversion. So click on it. Other data sources or CRM. So track conversion from place. Now click on Continue. Here we have to select qualified lead, because in this business we are only talking about the LTO, which is the qualified lead. So let's click on qualified leads and give the conversion name as opportunity qualified. Okay. In this business, we have a standard cost per opportunity. So we are not giving dynamic values. We are going to give static values. So use the same value for each conversions. And I'm giving it as 10,000. Okay, so once this is done, we have to click on one. This is to show Google Ads that these are all unique. These are all unique users, and they will be purchasing just once. Now click on Create and Continue. Now the conversion action is ready. So the first step, we have created the conversion action inside Google Ads account. The next step is to connect your CRM and the CustomerLabs. Once you sign into CustomerLabs, you will be able to see a dashboard like this. So let's connect our CRM now. Now click on Sources and click on Connect Source. Now here there are inbuilt integrations with Freshsales and HubSpot. This particular client uses the CRM called as Lead Square. So we don't have a direct integration with that, but we can create a custom source for that. So click on Custom Source and let's give the name as Lead Square CRM and save. Once this is done, we would be able to get this webhook. Okay, copy this webhook, sign into the CRM. So this is the Lead Square CRM. Click on Settings, APIs and webhook, and click on webhooks. So here you have to create a new webhook by pasting the URL here. Just give all the details and give save. Once you have added the webhook in your CRM, the CustomerLabs and your CRM will be connected. Now we have connected our CRM with CustomerLabs. Now what happens is all the data from your CRM will come into CustomerLabs. Ideally, we don't want all the lead stages. So this particular business have these many lead stages. We are looking into the ones that are opportunities. So in this case, the marketing qualified lead, aka opportunities, are these three. So we want the data of these three lead stages to be sent back to Google as offline conversion. So for that, we need to create a workflow. So now let's create a workflow. Let's give the name as opportunity CRM. And workflow delay is nothing but if you have multiple workflows running in the same source, you need to give a delay to avoid error of data. So I'll give 1 minute, then choose sample data. Here, since the CRM is connected, we will be able to get sample data. So let's choose one data. This is the data that is coming from your CRM. If you look at it, this is a raw data. This contains everything. So we wouldn't want everything for this particular workflow. For this, we would be needing email, phone number, and your lead stage. Okay. So we'll choose this sample data. And next, in this step, what we would be doing is all the data that is coming from your CRM should come into this workflow only if they have this condition. So we'll put the condition as, so after prospect stage here, if the prospect stage is only text contains opportunity, or prospect stage text contains opportunity strong, or prospect stage text contains opportunity cold. So here what we have given is the data that is coming from your CRM should enter this workflow only if they have these three stages. Okay. Now let's go to the event configuration. Now the next step is to configure the event. This is the important part of this whole process. Event configuration is nothing but you'll be collecting the data in this particular event and sending those exact data to Google Ads to match your offline conversion. In this workflow, the incoming data are the leads whose link stage is opportunity, opportunity strong, or opportunity cold. So now here, when you filter this data, only these stages will come into this workflow. Now, we have to send this workflow data back to Google, and Google will be able to identify this based on two criteria. One is your phone number, another one is your email. So now let's configure this event. This event name should be same as your conversion event set in your Google Ads. So here is the thing that I've created. Now, this would be a custom event. So just give the name for it. User identifier mapping is your email. Okay, so this is the email and phone number. Okay, now these two are configured. Now all you have to do is save this workflow. Here is the workflow that we have created. Now the last step is to send this particular workflow as an event to Google Ads. For that, what we have to do is click on destination. Here, click on Google AdWords. First thing is that you have to authenticate your Google Ads account with CustomerLabs. For that, you just have to click this button and connect your Google Ads account with CustomerLabs. If you come down, you can see this section called as Map Action to Conversions. So now, this is the event that CustomerLabs sends, and this is an event that Google Ads receives. So if you the name that you're given for this particular event is opportunity qualified. So this opportunity qualified has to be mapped to the opportunity qualified that we have created in Google Ads. Now click on add and save changes. Now change successfully. Go to Google Ads. Now you could see the conversion actions getting tracked.
Now, whenever the leads get updated to opportunity lead stage, that particular data will get reflected in your Google Ads conversion console along with the value.